Hello friends, welcome back and you are watching Ben Explore. You have seen the thumbnail as to how to purchase a home at just 2.8 euros. In this video, I am going to provide some information as to how to purchase this house. A British couple currently living in the Spanish island called Canary Islands, Tenerife. They wanted to move back to UK for the children's higher education. Before they go, they wanted to sell their house in an unusual way. Instead of putting it on the open market at the price of 430,000 euros, they have decided to sell in the form of raffle tickets at 2.8 euros. The winner will be moving into a 3-bedroom detached villa which is fully furnished. Given the salubrious climate and the tremendous environment to grow up children, Gina and Wayne Ironside have decided to move to this beautiful island at Tenerife 7 years back to give their children an unforgettable childhood experience. As I said earlier, they have aimed to sell 230,000 tickets at 2.8 euros, which will give the family a 10,000 euro additional amount to cover the cost of the furniture inside and all the expenses that is incurred for the winner to travel to Tenerife to sign for the property. Though the competition have already started on 16th November 2020, due to some technical glitch with regards to the payment processing, the tickets can be made available only on 24th November 2020. Moreover, this competition will run until 16th March 2021. I have given a link in the description where you can check and go ahead with the raffle ticket purchase and get a chance to win the home. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please share this to your friends. Also, for more information like this, you can always subscribe my channel and click that bell button so that you will receive notifications as and when I publish videos in my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.